Hi all, ZippyOPS is an IT infrastructure, automation, and microservice consulting company. ZippyOPS is formed with the objective to make automation work. ZippyOPS offers end-to-end automation consulting services using modern tools and methodologies. We offer solutions on cloud, infrastructure, DevOps, DevSecOps, automated ops, microservices, and security. We offer an end-to-end solution, including consulting, design, implementation, migration, and maintenance of these technologies. To provide a detailed overview of our services, we mimicked a scenario where the customer will be explaining their day-to-day issues, and we will be explaining how our offering will solve their issues. Hi all, welcome to ZippyOPS Consulting Services. We offer end-to-end, automation consulting services, using modern tools and methodologies. We help organizations to deliver high-quality software faster, without compromising security. We can automate your complete IT spectrum, so your business can provide faster and accurate outputs, reduce human efforts, and increase overall productivity. We are glad to host you at our premises to discuss the information technology problems in your organization.
Thanks for the warm welcome. We want to modernize our IT space. By modernizing, we want to automate the manual tasks, which are delaying the application deployment. We should ensure 99.99999% of application availability and security should not be compromised during modernization. We expect our discussion will provide fruitful results, so that we can deliver the quality application faster, without compromising security. Also, we need to keep the budget in check. Let me ask our development head to initiate the discussion.
Hi, let me quickly list the issues faced by our development team. It is taking a long time to deploy the application in various environments. Instead of developing new features, the team is spending more effort in follow-up and coordination. We don't have transparency in the infrastructure, so we don't have the freedom to choose runtimes and frameworks. We want to use microservice for faster development, but our current infrastructure doesn't support it. Our application is working fine in lower environment, but when we migrate the application to another environment, we are facing issues in the new environment due to inconsistent environments. Security scan and testing are taking a long time as we have to coordinate with the testing team and security team to perform the scans and test and share the results with the development team. The current deployment strategy is causing downtime in the application during deployment. We also need to ensure code quality before the code is deployed.
Thank you for the detailed explanation of the issues. We offer DevOps and microservice solutions which can address your current issues. By implementing DevOps, we can achieve continuous integration, CI, and continuous delivery, CD. By implementing CI, the code will be automatically built and deployed on the target environment. We can also include automated code quality scans in the CI process. Once the application is deployed, automated testing and security scans can be triggered and reports can be mailed to the developer. The development team no longer needs to coordinate and follow up on the process. By implementing continuous delivery, we can automate application migration, implement infrastructure as code, and server/application configuration as code. This will ensure all the environments are having the same configuration. As the server and application configurations are stored as code, the development team will have complete information about the infrastructure and have the freedom to choose the runtimes and frameworks. By implementing microservices, you can speed up application development. You can avoid application downtimes by implementing the latest deployment strategies like rolling update, blue-green deployment, and canary deployment.
Wow, these solutions should fix all our pressing issues. Let me ask our operations head to explain their issues.
Hi, we face issues that are normally faced by every operations team. Some of the deployment issues were already reported by our development head, and the suggested solutions are very convincing. The team is spending more efforts on monotonous L1 tasks. The application should be cloud native so that it can automatically scale up and scale down based on the need. We need a robust monitoring solution to monitor all the aspects of the hosted application. Triggers and alerts need to be configured so that the operation team will be notified. We also need to create custom dashboards on the monitoring solutions, which will report the needed parameters. Our infrastructure is not elastic, we were not able to provision servers on unplanned business needs. As we have to comply with statutory audits, all the activities performed by the team should be governed and secured. We need to automate server provisioning, server configuration, and server hardening as the team is spending more effort on these tasks.
Thank you for the detailed explanation of the issues. We offer cloud, infrastructure, microservice, and automated ops solutions that will address these issues. Our automated ops offers an L1 automation solution, where we integrate the ticketing system with a runbook automation tool. This solution will automatically resolve L1 tickets like user creation, DB dump, application installation, mailing logs, etc., using runbook automation tool. Our cloud and infrastructure solutions use configuration management tools to automate server provisioning, server configuration, and server hardening. By implementing a hybrid cloud strategy, you can increase the elasticity of your infrastructure. By default, our microservice solution implements cloud-native application principles, so the applications can automatically scale up and scale down based on the business needs. We can implement infrastructure, application, and application log monitoring solutions that can monitor all the aspects of the hosted application. We can implement customized triggers and alerts on these monitoring solutions. We also implement customized dashboards based on customers' need. All the tools we suggest have access control and audit, so that all the activities will be governed and secure.
Great, all the solutions were bang on target. Let me ask our Chief Information Security Officer to list his requirements.
Hi, we need to ensure the application deployed in the production should not have any vulnerabilities. If there is any security incident happen, the security team needs to be informed. For containers, we need to ensure the container images is not having any vulnerabilities. If the team is using any third-party libraries, the vulnerabilities in the libraries need to be identified. The hosted web application should be scanned using OWASP standards. New servers in the infrastructure should be hardened based on CIS standards.
Thank you for the detailed explanation of the issues. We offer DevSecOps and security solutions that will address these issues. By implementing our DevSecOps solution, you can automate static, dynamic, and interactive security scans, software composition analysis, and container scanning in the application deployment pipeline. Static, dynamic, and interactive security scans will help to identify the vulnerabilities in the source code. Software composition analysis will help you to identify the vulnerabilities on the third-party libraries. A container scan will help you to identify the vulnerabilities on container images. DevSecOps pipeline will generate the scan reports and share them with the developers so that they can fix the issue and the application will be automatically deployed on successful scans. By implementing SIEM solution with IDS and IPS, you can manage security incidents and events. Using configuration management tools, we can automate OS hardening based on CIS standards.
Cool, I am convinced with the solution provided. Let me ask our CFO to take it further.
Hi. Seems like the technical team is happy with the suggested solutions. But we have a limited budget for the modernization activity. We won't be able to implement all the enterprise tools you suggest. Most of the technologies you suggest seem to be a niche skill. I think the consultant cost may be higher. We need to check the cost before proceeding further.
Thank you for the detailed explanation of the issues. Over the years, by collaborating with enterprises and startups helped us to gain expertise on the open source and enterprise tools. Based on your budget, we can suggest either enterprise or open source tools without compromising the functionality. With our predefined frameworks and reusable components, we can deliver the solutions faster and cheaper. We use a mix of architects and experienced staff to deliver a high-quality product at competitive pricing without missing deadlines.
Awesome, let us proceed further. Let us hear from our CEO about his thoughts.
Looks like we had a fruitful discussion. Technically and financially the solutions are feasible. We expect the vendor to consult, design, implement and maintain the solutions. As these are new tools and technologies, we also need to train our existing employees, so that they can embrace these tools and technologies without hesitance. Do you offer these?
Thank you for listing your queries and concerns. Our AAA strategy has advice, align, and animate phase. In the advice phase, we analyze, develop strategies, architect, and advice on modernization. In the align phase, we migrate workloads and implement end-to-end automation solutions. In the animate phase, we optimize and maintain the implemented automation solutions. We offer boot camps on tools and technologies. By participating in these boot camps, users can upskill themselves. We also offer customized boot camps based on the technologies used in your organization.
Fantastic. Let's start with the advice phase then.
Thank you. You can also search for ZippyOPS in YouTube to see demos of the implemented solutions.